Why does your scanner show the P0135 engine code? What does it mean? P0135 is a diagnostic trouble code for 02 sensor heater circuit malfunction, Bank 1 Sensor 1. The P0135 engine code indicate the vehicle's computer has detected an electrical issue in the built-in heating element of the upstream oxygen sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed oxygen sensor heater element, damaged wiring or corroded connectors, blown sensor fuse, faulty relay, incorrect or poor quality aftermarket sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Chevrolet, Nissan, Toyota, Ford, and Honda. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.